I want you to take a look on this. Meron akong i-share sa'yo. And this is for your eyes only. Pero, this is something that is very beneficial for you, lalo na kung nasa business ka. Let me flip over the camera para makita mo. Okay, so nandito tayo sa aking PayPal account. And I want to show you something here. And I want you to take notice of this because this is very important. Normally, yung ganitong amount ng sales, this is actually a net profit already. Nagagawa ko lang yan within a month. Okay, ibig sabihin, after running the business for a month, most of the time, ganitong range ng sales yung nagagawa ko. And despite of the, let's say, pandemic issues right now, these are the numbers that I can tell or I can assure na pretty conservative numbers. But here's the catch. Okay, here's the catch. Itong sales na to, nagawa ko yan after 3 days of doing the business. So meaning to say, hindi umabot ng isang buwan para ma-achieve ko tong ganitong pretty conservative numbers. Now, ang tanong ko kasi sa'yo dyan is, papaano ko siya nagawa? I did that by simply changing a simple way in my marketing strategy. And I'm gonna share it to you today. So, I wanna give this kind of technique na just recently in-implement ko sa business ko because actually I'm guilty about it. You know why? Because I'm teaching that, pero hindi ko na-realize na I should be doing that right now, lalo na ngayong pandemic, okay? Now, to get to the point ng style na gusto kong i-share to you is that, papaliwanag ko muna, let us assume na nag-advertise ka ngayon or let's assume na nasa business ka ngayon and then you're trying to do things, let's say, yung tama, ginagawa mo yung strategy na tinuro sa'yo ng mentor mo, all of those stuff. And then at the end of the day, you're still not getting any results. Lalo na doon sa mga targeted audience mo. So, ang question kasi dyan is, bakit ganon? Well, the answer is very simple. When I did try to do some evaluation or observation sa target market, lahat tayo is dumarating sa point ng what we call, we are being saturated when it comes to message. So, ibig sabihin, kapag nakakakita tayo ng isang bagay na paulit-ulit, it comes to the point na nagiging normal na to sa atin at wala ng excitement. Diba? So, nagkakaroon tayo ng message saturation. Now, people nowadays are very keen when it comes to videos. Bakit? It's because that we're locked down and wala tayong ibang channel kundi social media and other platforms, which is more likely we want to get entertained and we're gonna watch the videos, right? Now, there are some people who always gonna look for opportunity as well despite of the pandemic and will look for opportunity. But then again, nagkakaroon pa rin ng message saturation because yung format and yung style and yung strategy, okay, na ini-implement nila when it comes to, let's say, marketing style is almost the same. So, a lot of people already are exposed to it and they already know na minamarket mo lang sila. And that's the big problem, diba? That's the big problem because if you are not into a physical product, you are on services, business opportunity, or digital products, that is a big problem for you because, okay, when people think of you as like, let's say, marketer and they're not seeing any value from you, you don't get any attention, then that's the end of your career sa business. So in order to fix that, there's a marketing style na I did try to tweak in my own business muna para makita mo na it generates results just like what I've showed to you. And this marketing style is called polarity. Okay? Polarity is very simple. If this person is turning to left, you're gonna turn to right. So example, okay? I write down, let's say, how to write 10 emails per day. Okay? So that's the normal headline na nababasa natin. If I'm gonna say na complete emails at least 10 to 15 a day by doing this, that's kind of different, diba? Another example is this: how to lose weight within 3 days. That's the normal headline. But if I'm gonna, let's say, do polarity style, I would say eat more to lose more weight. So that's kind of different, and yet the meaning is the same, and yet the goal is the same. That is to actually convert them into sales. Now, what does it mean to execute a polarity style of, let's say, marketing? It's very important simply because it drops the message fatigue or message saturation sa target market mo. And in fact, I did create this kind of simple video coming from let's say, my cell phone a couple of days ago kasi kumukuha ako ng behavior or data ng target market ko. And then, I did try a notice of, let's say, spike when it comes to, let's say, video views and percentage of views. So, from 1%, it went up from, let's say, 3% and then going to 8%, 9%, and then umabot na ng 17%. And then, I saw that this is a simple video, but the message is totally different. So, probably, baka na-target ka din nung video na yon. Pero, just to make sure, ito yung itsura ng video na yan. Okay? So, ayan yon. Yan yung video na ginawa ko a couple of days ago kasi kumukuha ako ng data. Now, the point is, nung tinaray ko kasing i-implement yan sa business ko, the results were insane. Very insane. So, what does it mean to run a business right now? It's very simple. Use the polarity marketing style of let's say, a way of executing your content, or kung gumagawa ka ng advertisement or let's say mga videos na pinapresent mo sa target market mo, try to implement the polarity style and okay, see the results in your business. Magugulat ka na all of a sudden it will change the conversion of your business. Ngayon, another proof na ginamit ko yung polarity style is that if you're watching this video right now, did I get your attention the moment na pinakita ko sa'yo yung pinaka-introduction ko sa video? If that is a yes at tinapos mo tong video na to, ibig sabihin, I was able to take you in my polarity marketing style and then let you finish this video successfully. Very simple, di ba? And I hope that you've learned something from this video, and thank you so much for watching this video. And I'm gonna post more of content and more strategies para sa business mo so that you will learn different kind of strategies every now and then, what is working and what is not. And thank you so much, and see you in my next video.